This is my mom. She's going to make some candles for us today, and let her explain that.
Just let me go. Hello, my name is Brenda, and I'm making resurrection candles today. So I'm going to show you the items that we're going to use. This is a donkey, and this is the palm leaf for the entry into Jerusalem, and this is the wine and the bread for the Last Supper. And then we have pieces of silver for the 30 pieces of silver. And then we have the little purple for the purple robe. And the crown of thorns. And then we have the cat of nine tails, which I have designed. And then we have the nails and the cross. They put him on. And then we have the sponge that they gave him the hyssop with. And then the spear. And then we have the plaque they put on, which says the King of the Jews. And then, of course, the stone that was rolled away, and, of course, the wick that will go in it. And that's what we're going to put in, and it will look similar to this. We're hoping, with a little less bubbles, that we can get it in, if you can see that. And I'll put the bottom so you can see the stuff on the bottom. Alrighty, so okay. So I was showing you the candle here that I've done rather. And let me show you. We're hoping to make one with a little less bubbles so that it's a little bit easier to see the items in there. That's the bottom of it. You can see right there. And so hopefully we can get that put together, and we're going to melt the gel wax, and we're going to put all this stuff in there with it. All right. Okay, so here we have the gel wax in the pan, and we're going to start melting it. Now I've put quite a bit in this pan because I want to be able to have enough for the camera itself. And I have the frankincense oil. You want to make sure it's oil, because the alcohol will not mix with the gel wax. Okay?
So this is going to take a little bit, and we are still in the process of
melting
the
wax. So it takes a while for the gel to melt.
Okay.
Okay, so as you can see, I am melting the wax. It takes a while for it to melt. I'm sorry, there we go. It's kind of hard for me to figure out where the camera is. And then I have this essential oil. I'm using frankincense, and you have to get the oil. You don't want to get a alcohol. It won't mix.
Okay.
Okay, so we're getting close to the gel being ready. We're not there yet, but it's, as you can see, it's really starting to melt. Okay, so as you can see, the gel is getting really close to pouring the candle, and we'll be pouring here in just a little bit. And do mine too. Get mine. All right, there we go. Okay, that's good. Just push the. All right, here we go. I'm going to put a little bit in so that I can get the other little things in here. Put the palm leaf in. I can get it off of my thing. See if I can get the donkey to stand up. Okay. Put the pieces of silver in. I want them right there. There. Okay. Crown of thorns. The robe. Okay. The cat of nine tails. And then the cross, which I will put like that, along with the nails. See if we can get them together. Okay. Sponge likes to bubble up. Then we want to put that down right there. Stone. Gotta move him over a little bit because we need the. Oops. Ooh, we're drying. That's why you gotta hurry up. Okay, get him in. Okay. And then we will put that right here. And see if I can't get the rest of the pour here. All right. And there we go. And that is a lot clearer than the last one. That's good. Is it? Okay, yeah, hold that up. Hold it up. Okay, that's good. Stop. Okay. Put that on it so it'll mix in. Stay up there. Ah, hold it up. Oh, wait, let's see if we can't. It's staying stuck to me. There we go. That'll help. It'll dry pretty quick. All right. And there you have a resurrection candle. Oops. There we go. Yeah. Okay.
Hey everyone, I'm Henry White, and my song is Henry 908712. Like, share, and subscribe, and comment. And if you like this video, get 100 likes, and we're gonna do more, and everything like that.